Let's put these roasted cherry tomatoes to good use. I'm making soup with mine. Because they're so intensely flavored, I'm gonna thin them down a little bit with chicken stock. And now I'm gonna puree it all together. I'm gonna use a strainer and strain them. Super smooth, beautiful tomato soup. Let's heat it, taste it, and eat it. So it's really important to taste test. Maybe a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper. If it's a little too acidic, add a little bit of sugar. It just mellows out the acidic flavor. You can also add a little bit of cream or coconut milk if you'd like. Perfect. Here's how I garnish it. I add a few toasted seasoned bread cubes, a little bit of Parmesan, and just a little sprig of fresh basil. That is so good. The roasted tomatoes are the best.